Okay everyone, so welcome again to another one of our lessons here, and for this specific video lesson, I want you to go and simulate that I'm your client and I can see that you have done some improvements in our site here and you've already made some of the buttons that I told you to make. So what I want you to do here is to create some sort of dynamic effect in the buttons that we've just recently created. I would want you to go and once the client or the user hovers on top of the button, I want to see an effect that will be allowing it to elevate the button a little bit. And once I click on it, I would want to see an effect that will be showing that as if the button is moving back down to the background or it's elevating down. So that will be the challenge for you, and I want you to do your research. How can we go and make a dynamic effect that will allow the user to see that once the user hovers on top of the button, they would see that as if the button is moving up, and once they click on it, as if the button is moving down. Okay, so that will be my challenge for you, and I hope you will be able to solve this. So again, don't worry if, for example, you're having a difficult time. In the next lesson, I will be teaching you on how I achieved this challenge. But for now, I want you to solve certain challenges like this, especially, for example, a client will be asking you to perform some tasks that you haven't experienced yet doing. So at least you'll have an idea that you can actually do this by doing a lot of research, and of course, again, asking if ever you get into a pinch, or for example, you're into a jam from where you cannot find the solution to the problem. So later in the next video, I'm going to show you on how I did this dynamic effect.